My technician, check this out. So this is a Bluetooth. Let me show you. You can see the Bluetooth. Okay, customer gave me this Bluetooth to work on. The problem of this Bluetooth is the sound IC. The sound IC is heating up. It's heating up right now. And let me put paste for you guys to see. Check this out. This is where the sound IC is. You can see that the sound IC is heating up. And let me turn for you guys to see. This is the sound IC. And let me put paste again. You can see the paste is melting. You can see very well. The sound IC is not good. The sound IC is not good. And let me turn on the Bluetooth for you guys to see. I want you guys to hear. Once we're ready, go. It's on now. Can you hear the sound? It's doing ting. It's because the sound IC is not good. Let me off and on again. You can hear the sound again. The sound IC is not good. This is paste. Let me put it again for you guys to see. You can see it's melting the paste. Zoom the camera very well so that they can see. You can see it's melting the paste. So the sound IC is not good. So right here I have a sound IC. I have a sound IC. This is a sound circuit that I build myself. You can build this yourself. Check the comment section. You will see the photo of the circuit. Just get it there and build your own and put in any Bluetooth of your choice that you want to put. If you're a technician, do it and enjoy.
By the technician, a lot of technicians ask me question. How will I be able to connect this? How will I be able to do this? How will I be able to connect the sound to the PCB so that the sound will work very well? Today's video, I'll be showing you everything step by step. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. The first thing is for you to remove the whole IC. You can see the old one. So this is the old one. So I want to remove the old one right now. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. You can see I tried to remove with a soldering iron, but it's very strong, so I have to change it and then use rework station. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will be done. So first thing is for you to remove the whole IC. You can see. Check this out. I'm done removing. You can see. Very nice. Check this out. The next thing is for you to take time and apply lead on all those pins. Very important. Here you can see the speaker line. So this is the speaker line, the positive and negative. So make sure you scratch it and connect those two wires. The output of those wires from the sound circuit you build. You can see the audio input that goes straight to the IC. So you can see the connections. You can see the right and left. Check this out. You can see it's very simple. Okay, you don't need to think. You don't need to worry about it. Don't worry, I will show you step by step. Okay, don't worry. So this is the sound circuit I built. Check this out. You can see very clean and nice. Here we have capacitor. We have polarized and non-polarized capacitor. So this is the sound output. This one here goes straight to the speaker. So scratch one of these and lead. Make sure you scratch till you see that copper. Apply lead on the copper. You can see I apply lead. Just take your time to do this. Okay, you don't need to worry yourself. I will be done. Okay, scratch this side too. As a technician, if you don't know how to build this sound circuit, I will drop a link in the comment section, okay? So from the link, you can watch the video, learn how to build a sound circuit. Check the comment section for the video. Check this out, you can see. Check comment section or description. You're going to see the video. You watch and enjoy. Check this out. So this is the positive input of the sound. Make sure you connect it to the positive. So you may ask, Father Joe, why are you connecting to this diode? I'm connecting to the diode because the diode is the positive input of the sound IC. Okay, take note. The next thing is the negative. Make sure you look for negative and connect. Okay, check negative on the PCB. Anywhere you see negative, you connect it. Any place you see negative, you connect it. Okay, get the negative from your sound. Any place you see negative, please take note. Any place you see negative, and negative is all over the board. Negative is everywhere on this PCB. The next thing is the audio input. So this is the audio input. Make sure you connect to the left or the right. Anyone will still work. If you try the left, it's not working, you try the right side, it will work. You can see I want to connect right now. Check this out. I'm done. So let me play. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. My technician is working perfectly. It's working perfectly. So let me connect a charger because the battery is low. Let me connect power. As a technician, you can hear the sound. Everything is working perfectly. We are all happy. Oh my god. Check this out. Guys, we are happy. Everything is working 100%. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. You can see the small sound circuit is working perfectly. The owner of this mp3 is very happy. Very happy. Let me couple the Bluetooth so that I'll return to the owner. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Enjoy this out.